Welcome to Riko's reading room. Today I'll read an entertaining book called The Case of the Missing Chalk Drawings. I hope you love it. The Case of the Missing Chalk Drawings by Richard Byrne. The Chalks were having fun drawing when Mrs. Red called them in for lunch. But when the Chalks came back from lunch, they were surprised to find all the flowers are gone. The Chalks started a new drawing, but this time Mrs. Red also made a big red fence. That should keep the flowers safe while we go in for a story, she said. But it didn't. After story time, the flowers were gone. And so is the fence. Someone is stealing our drawings. Sergeant Blue arrived to investigate and quickly noted some important evidence. The culprit is this tall and very dusty. Sergeant Blue rounded up some suspicious-looking characters. Too thin, too small. Too pointy, too tall, too hairy. Please turn around. He's got a dusty red bottom. Case closed. But before Sergeant Blue could put the culprit in prison, the robber fled in a cloud of dust. The Chalks chased the robber, but they could not catch him. The Chalks were stumped. Fortunately, Sergeant Blue had a plan. When the robber came upon a new drawing, he couldn't resist. Rainbow, here I come! The Chalks suddenly leaped out from their hiding places. Robber, caught you! The chalkboard eraser felt wrongly accused. I'm not a robber. I'm an eraser. You draw stuff and I erase it. Then you can draw more stuff. The Chalks felt very guilty. They had made a terrible mistake. Sergeant Blue knew how to make things right. They should all chase the eraser again. But this time, just for fun. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have an awesome day. See you soon.